Can you guess 30 fruits names by the combination of two emojis? You have 5 seconds for each quiz. Round 1. Can you figure this out? Yes, it's pineapple. Round 2. Guess the answer if you can. That's strawberry, no doubt. Round 3. What do these emojis mean? Of course, it's blueberry. Round 4. Think hard, what could it be? Easy, that's blackberry. Round 5. Are you ready to guess? You got it, watermelon. Round 6. Try your luck, what's your answer? Correct, it's Applejack. Round 7. It's time to guess, what is this? That's passion fruit. Great job. Round 8. What do you think this represents? The answer is starfruit. Round 9. Can you solve this one? Simple, it's lemonade. Round 10. Any idea what this could be? Nice. That's grapefruit. Round 11. Put on your thinking cap, guess this. It's dragon fruit, naturally. Round 12. How quickly can you guess? Oh, it's banana split. Round 12. What word comes to mind here? That's gooseberry for sure. Round 14. Test your knowledge, what's your guess? Yep, that's coconut. Round 15. Can you crack this one? The answer is cranberry. Round 16. This one's tricky, can you guess it? It's plum cake, good one. Round 17. What does this combination suggest? Sweet. It's honeydew. Round 18. Look closely, what's the answer? That's orange juice. Round 19. Can you connect the clues? Figgy pudding is the answer. Round 20. Take a shot, what's your guess? Perfect, it's peach pie. Round 21. This is fun, what does it mean? You nailed it, it's limeade. Round 22. Think outside the box, what is it? That's cherry blossom, great. Round 23. Can you nail this one? The answer is grape soda. Round 24. Here's a hint, what could it be? Mango juice is correct. Round 25. Guess what these emojis are saying? That's water pear. Round 26. Time to test your skills, what's your guess? The answer is melon slice. Round 27. Challenge time, what does this mean? Yep, it's pearberry. Round 28. Simple yet tricky, can you solve it? Correct, it's like easy rub. Round 29. Ready for this? Take a guess. Clever, it's raspberry. Round 30. Have fun, what's your final answer? Finally, that's pomegranate. I hope you enjoyed lot. Comment below how many you guessed correct. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos.